Welcome to PHP POS. In this quick demo, we'll walk you through the key features that make PHP a powerful yet easy to use retail solution. From inventory and sales to employees and reports, PHP helps you streamline your business and keep everything in one place. Let's dive in. When you first log in, you'll see an easy Get Started guide to help you quickly set up your store. Click through the steps to configure your tax settings, pricing rules, e-commerce integrations, and more. All of this allows your sales process to be unified from day one. Running multiple stores, PHP makes it easy to add and manage additional locations. You can track inventory across your different stores. You can customize pricing and discounts by location. You can run location-based reports for better business insights. Using multi-location management takes the guesswork out of your business. You now know what's going on where and when. Add products or services with as much detail as you need. Items can be individual products, services, part of a series, or even bundled into kits. You can set up automated price rules for discounts. You can tag and categorize products for quick searching, and you can create custom item variation and pricing. Whether simple or complex, PHP adapts to your inventory needs. Easily add employees and customize their hourly wages, their commission rates, or both. You can set permission levels for different job roles, track employee time with built-in clock in and clock out features. PHP even includes a built-in employee messaging system to keep everyone in touch and up to date. Whether you have a small team or a growing business, PHP keeps employee management simple. Track customer data so your team always knows who they're helping. You can find customer purchase history and identify top buyers for direct marketing campaigns. You can even create personalized shopping experiences for repeat customers based on previous products. Handle every sale, no matter how complex, on a single screen. Scan items with a barcode or search by their name. Adjust pricing, apply discounts, and update quantities, all in the same space. Quickly add new customers or attach an existing one to a sale to include it in their history. Set up deliveries or in-store pickups directly from the checkout screen. No more clicking through 5 windows to do what you need. At checkout, you can schedule deliveries and add tracking details for USPS, FedEx, or a local driver. You can place items on layaway to reserve inventory for customers at a later time without ever leaving the checkout screen. By default, sales automatically update inventory. But in addition to this, you can also set custom restock rules to trigger purchase orders when stock runs low, record received inventory when new shipments arrive, track invoices for customers and suppliers with the click of a button. Using PHP takes the guesswork out of inventory and removes many time-consuming manual tracking tasks, leaving you more time to run your business. Run reports on sales, inventory, deliveries, employee hours, taxes, and more. Choose between graphical summaries or detailed breakdowns. Filter reports to find exactly what you need and when you need it. Make data-driven decisions with real-time insights. That's a quick look at PHP POS, a complete retail management solution built to make your business run smoothly. Still need more? PHP has additional features such as gift cards, appointment settings, and work order management for even the most complex retail or service center needs. Want to experience it for yourself? Sign up for a free trial today. Thanks for watching. We hope to see you soon.